How to post on Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can make a post or pins on Pinterest. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to post something on Pinterest, it's relatively very easy and simple to do it. What you have to do is just go ahead and then launch the Pinterest app. And you also want to make sure to actually update it, because if you have not updated it, you could be facing some bugs and errors. So always make sure that you're using the latest version of each and every application on your smartphone. Once you update the app, you launch it, you make sure you're logged into your account, you'll see this kind of interface. And here at the bottom of the menu icons, you have to tap on the one which is the plus icon over here. So just go to the plus icon and you can see it says create idea pin or board. But since we're learning to post, we're going to create pins. So just tap on the pin icon and select the pin that you would like to create. So over here you can see a bunch of different ones that are available. If I just select one, I will tap on the next button on the top right corner. As I tap on the next button, you have to give a title to your pin, so just go ahead and give it a title. If you want, you can also go ahead and then enter a description, a short description about what your pin is about. And once you've done so, you can also go ahead and then describe your pin's visual details and tap on the next button on the top right corner. Once you do so, you have to save this to a board. Now keep in mind, if you have multiple boards created, you add your pin to a private board, your pin is also going to get private and no one else other than you are going to be able to view it. But if you set it to a public board, everyone else who has access to this board is also going to be able to view this. So just keep that in mind as well. And that's all it takes to post something on Pinterest. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.